Golden, buttery pastry and a creamy Thai-style chicken filling. This is creamy Thai chicken and vegetable pie. Wow, I love that marriage of crispy, flaky pastry and any kind of beautiful creamy sauce. And this one has a little spicy element to it. So you guys by now would know that that's my kind of dinner. So anyway, let's get on to our filling part first. And I'm gonna be doing a green curry style filling for this one. I mean, for me, a Thai green curry instantly means delicious. So, of course, I would have to say that or my mum would kill me for starters. Let's make that first. So a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm gonna start off with some onion. Now, whenever I'm starting off onions like this, I always like to add a little bit of salt. The salt kind of draws out some of the moisture from the onion and helps it caramelize and get a little sweeter. And when the onions are beautifully soft and tender, then I'm going to add in my Thai green curry paste. So I'm using my green curry kit today. Now this one is like the OG of all of my products. It's the very first product I ever made, and the curry paste is something that is truly very special to me. It is actually our family's recipe for green curry paste, and wow, I sure am proud of it. I know lots of you have tried it and love it too, so thank you very much. We want to add the green curry paste in with our onions. And whenever you're cooking with a Thai curry paste, you always want to let it kind of bloom and blossom a little bit in the oil before you add the other ingredients. And that kind of gets like all the aromatics, like the beautiful garlic and galangal and all the spices to kind of release all of their flavors. Now I know you guys can't smell it out there, but wow. The aroma of when a Thai green curry paste is frying, I love it so much. It's so spicy. So now we want some coconut milk. Now the coconut milk comes in my kit as well. Of course, if you can't get a hold of my kit, feel free to use your favorite curry paste and coconut milk. And then also in my kit, you kind of get this little care package, I like to call it, and it's kaffir lime leaves and Thai basil leaves and some extra dried chilies there for those that like the spice, like me. Now for the chicken. So I'm using chicken thigh because I'm a thigh girl. I love the dark meat. I think it stays juicier and tastier, but you can totally use chicken breast here, or you could use a whole bunch of vegetables and keep it meat-free. Now some chicken stock and our veggies. I'm keeping it simple with some carrots, and the bamboo shoots that come in my kit as well add a little authentic touch to our pie. But any kind of vegetables that you fancy are really great in here. Now just bring that up to a simmer and pop the lid on. And I just want to cook that for about 10 or 15 minutes or until the carrot is beautifully tender. So green curry is smelling amazing. And now I want to get my curry sauce really nice and thick and creamy. So I'm going to add some corn flour that I've just mixed with a little bit of water. And just let that sauce simmer a little longer, a couple of minutes until it thickens up. Oh, that looks so great. So what I want to do here is just pull out some of these ingredients that have done their job now with the flavoring. So the kaffir lime leaf. And then if it was just me, I'd be tempted to leave them in, but probably best to pull out the whole chilies. And then one little pro tip here, I love to add fresh basil whenever I'm making a Thai green curry. And in Thailand, of course, where I am, it's very easy for me to get Thai basil, so I'm using that. But do you know what? At a pinch, you can use Italian basil as well. Just add those in. What a difference that basil makes. Just lifts everything into the amazing. So at this point, always you want to be tasting for seasoning. So let's have a look. That is so perfect. So those of you guys who have used my kit before would know that my curry paste comes pre-seasoned with just the right amount of fish sauce and palm sugar that you need to make a beautifully balanced curry. If you're using another type of curry paste, just simply add in as much palm sugar and fish sauce or salt as you like to taste. That is so good. Now you want to ladle this into an oven-proof casserole dish or baking tin. Now I've got some puff pastry here and I just want to make a little egg wash. Now I like to have a purely egg yolk egg wash because that golden color from just the egg yolk doesn't get diluted. Now pastry goes on top. And we want a little bit of overhang here, but I'm just going to trim some of this excess off. And I just like to do a little bit of crimping on the sides. A couple of slits here in the middle, and then that beautiful sunshine golden egg on the top. Now just sprinkle over some sesame seeds and into the oven. Smells amazing. Yum, that beautiful crispy flaky pastry. Now let's have a look and see how we've gone. Carefully lift that out. A little bit more of that filling on there. And would you look at that steaming creamy chicken filling and that pastry. I love that something so simple can be so good. Wow, that buttery pastry and that really thick, creamy curry sauce. This really is a dream dinner. Yum. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.